software development. Brought to you by Cognition with their latest innovation, Devin AI, the world's first AI software engineer. Today, we delve into how this groundbreaking technology is setting a new standard in the industry by enhancing the development process through AI-powered coding and machine learning. Let's embark on this journey to understand how Devin AI is not just an assistant, but a complete game changer in software development. Devin AI is a monumental leap forward, designed to transform the software development landscape. Unlike traditional coding assistants, Devin functions as an autonomous AI engineer, capable of managing entire software projects from conception to completion. This AI-powered marvel empowers developers by taking on complex tasks, thereby freeing human minds for more creative and innovative problem solving. Imagine a virtual software engineer with an extensive toolkit at its disposal, including a code editor and web browser within a secure operating environment. Devin AI is this engineer, capable of planning, designing, and executing software projects independently. Its advanced reasoning and long-term planning capabilities mimic those of a highly skilled developer, setting a new precedent for machine-led development. Devin AI's prowess is best illustrated through its performance on the SWE bench, where it showcases remarkable problem-solving accuracy and independence, surpassing traditional models. This not only highlights Devin AI's advanced capabilities, but also sets a new benchmark for future AI models in software development. Incorporating Devin AI into your workflow involves a series of steps, starting from application for access, through integration into your development process, to defining your project scope and letting Devin take over. The end-to-end process, culminating in the deployment of the software, underscores a simplified yet comprehensive approach to leveraging Devin AI's capabilities. Devin AI promises to revolutionize software development by enhancing productivity, automating routine tasks, thus allowing developers to concentrate on strategic and innovative aspects, accelerating time to market, reducing development timelines significantly, optimizing workflow, seamlessly integrating with existing processes to improve efficiency, reducing costs, lowering overall development expenses through automation, democratizing development, lowering the barrier to entry, and encouraging a more diverse pool of talent in the software development field. Devin AI stands out from existing AI assistants like GitHub Copilot and Tabnine by offering full project handling capabilities, autonomous operation without human intervention, and comprehensive code generation, making it a fully fledged AI software engineer. Devin AI is not just an advancement in AI tools. It's a paradigm shift in how software development is approached. With its introduction, we're looking at a more efficient, innovative, and inclusive future in software development, making it an exciting time for developers and companies alike. Who developed Devin AI? It is developed by Cognition, a leader in applied AI. Is it available for the public? The details on availability and pricing are pending. Will it replace humans? Devin AI is designed to complement and not to replace human developers, but to enhance collaboration and innovation. What about data security? It is expected to incorporate robust security measures to protect sensitive development data in the future. This journey into the world of Devin AI paints a picture of a future where AI and human creativity combine to push the boundaries of software development. As we look forward to this new era, the potential for growth and innovation seems limitless.